2004 GMC Sierra 1500 V6. Got aftermarket converters. Then it winds into a single, 2.5, and we continued that 2.5 into a side pipe out the side with blue flame tips right there. What do you guys think? Tell me what you think. I like it. They always sound good when we do this to them. Right there. I think it looks beautiful. That's how you do a side pipe and a muffler delete. Oh, really nice wheels. What do you guys think? I like it. Sound decibels? 111. Go ahead. That's out that side, so it's a little bit louder than that. Probably 113, around there. I like the spikes. Spikes make it look cool. I need those. I got those same wheels on my truck. I need those spikes, but in black. Side pipes. Side exit. Again. GMC Sierra 2002, actually. It wasn't 2004, guys. 2002. I was off for a couple of years. Well, they both looked the same. They were the same body style.